people, good afternoon. I got a message from one of my followers. He's asking me to make a little review about my gears, what I'm bringing on my bicycle tour. Well, this is really depends on the weather, the place where I'm going to. If I'm going to the north of Scotland in March, I would definitely consider it like a winter time. So for winter time, you will definitely need some waterproof clothes, trouser, jacket and boots. Then you will need an extra jumper to stay at night, a jumper to cycling in, and so on. So a couple of few things. Sleeping bags, mine is always the same. It's a 3-season North Face. It's quite warm. Obviously, sleeping bags probably require a different chapter because it's quite a long thing to talk about. Now, how you set up the bicycle? So you can have panniers, or you can have like a bike packing bags, which is actually what I'm using now. I start first with the panniers, 2 panniers on the back and a big bag on top, which was quite heavy, a lot of food and water, and all grave on the rear wheel, so which make it very hard, very difficult to cycle in. So the best thing, if you want to go for panniers, go 2 in front, 2 on the back. You're probably gonna have some empty space, but it's more balancing. Second one, I opt for the bike packing bags, which is like one on the handlebar, and one on the seat pot, and one on the frame. It's quite not enough space, so for my sleeping bags I had to put an extra bag on front of the handlebar. So 2 bags on the handlebar, and one on the seat pot and one on the frame. What I'm taking with me is summertime, three pair of cycling trouser, like shorts, and then 3 jersey, then 1 windproof and 1 waterproof jacket. That's all. And then I will take like my pyjama, because I always sleep in the pyjama, make me feel like at home, and 1 shorts, like for time off when you don't want to wearing your dirty clothes, and then for a shower just like a minimum flip-flop, and then a towel to get dry, and a piece of soap. Then this is the setup. Obviously then you need to consider in water, so how long are you gonna be away for, and food normally if you stay in Europe, like UK or Europe generally speaking, you don't really need to cook. It's just it's good to have a little cook pot and some stove, but you don't really cook too much. Maybe in the morning make a coffee or porridge or something like that. Because there are so many shops, and I mean, go in a supermarket, buy a bread roll, some salumi and stuff. It's just the easiest things to do. If you want to go for a few weeks traveling, like a month or 2 months, 3 months, then you need definitely 4 panniers with plenty of stove cooking tools, gas canister, and so on. And then 1 bag is just for food. For the cooking pot, it's quite difficult now to explain what should take, but don't go for something like ultra lightweight, because it lasts for a while, but it's very small as well, it's expensive, and you can't really cook too much. So it's 1.6 capacity. You can make a soup if you want, something like that, but you can't really. So I will go definitely for something a little bit bigger, from MSR, something like a steel material, and go, so something like that. I've never been on a tour so long, so I can't really tell you, but yeah, you have to be as light as you can. So in terms of water, I normally keep 2 liters on my backpack, on my camel bar bags, you know, the classic with the tube, and then on my forks I'm normally carrying 2 bottles of 1.5 liter each, plus 2 standard bottle of water, 750 each, so 1.5 will turn into a 4.5 liter plus 2 liters, so 6.5, 7 liters. That will make for a couple of days, so it's fine. You don't even need to care too much if you stay in Europe. So hopefully this one can help. If you have any questions, any advice, or how can I improve my video, everything, please just let me know. Text me, I'll be more than happy to reply to you. I leave you for now on the lovely background of Edinburgh. Hard to sit in my back, and then go for a little ride today. Just a day off, got 3 days off. Weather is pretty nice, so it's okay. It's quite windy, but as you can probably hear, but it's lovely. So keep your date.